Baby, this is giving me Michelle Obama at the inauguration tease. Okay.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, what's up? My name is Maresa. If you are part of the fam, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a hair review on this bomb unit that I have installed. So if you guys want the tea and want to watch me install it, make sure you guys stay tuned. But before you go, you already know why. Because I say this in every video. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video and hit that subscribe button. And until next time, bye guys. All right, so here's the packaging. And I have this in the color 1. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. Transparent lace. So I'm going to take my foundation powder. And this is a Fenty Beauty foundation powder. And I'm just going to put that over the lace. And honestly, this is my first time trying this method. I usually use my even tint spray, which will be what I use next time. This hairline is really nice. Like, it's really nice. It comes more pre-plucked on the left side than it does the right side, in my opinion. But it looks really good. So first I'm just going to take some alcohol wipes and just to get the makeup off. Next, I'm going to go in with my Got To Be Insta Hold hairspray. And this method right here, I like to lay my units like this sometimes, where I will actually spray the hairspray on top of the lace. And then I'm going in with my blow dryer, and this is on warm setting. Melted hairline, sis. Yes. And I'm just going to do that over the entire hairline. Now, it's been a minute since I have used hairspray on doing my units, and sis, this was somewhat of a struggle, but like always, we're gonna make it work. Don't worry. You just wait until the end. I usually will use my bowl hold liquid gold, but it's okay. And like I said, going in, and you want to take your time when you do this. And then you want to go right back in with the blow dryer on warm setting. You can do this on cool setting. So after I did that, I just took my elastic band and tied it down for about a minute or so. And now I'm getting ready to cut the lace. Now I went between my shears and my razor to cut. And I just cut pretty much like jagged lines when I was cutting the lace. And now I'm just touching up with my hairspray. Next, I'm going to go in with my bronzer. This is the Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty bronzer. And just to kind of try to hide the lace a little bit. Make it look a little bit more discreet. And I'm just going to go on top of that and just kind of spot spray on the lace. And now I'm just taking my foundation powder and just going in the parting. I love how long this parting is. And baby, I had to comb out those candy curls. No, ma'am. And here we are. I love this. All right, let's chat, sis. Okay, so now that I have sis on, baby, this unit is bomb. I really like this. I love the bang. I love the layers that are cut. I love the curls. Now, at first, it gave me a little candy curl vibe, and no, But once I combed them out, like, first of all, this is pretty. This is so pretty. And as I said in the video, I have this in the color number 1. At first, I was like, this is gonna be too dark, but honestly, like, this color is bomb. Like, it is not too dark for me. It is like just right. This, I would say, would be I'm not gonna say that. This is not really a get up and go unit. It's a get up, make it work, then go unit. So yeah, I really like this. Again, this bang is giving me life, sis. Like, it is giving me everything. It is so pretty. Now, I didn't do anything other than what you guys saw in the video. I literally took my foundation powder, put it on the lace, and then I went in with spray. Now, it has been a while since I have used hairspray to lay my unit. Yeah. I'm going to go back to my bold hold for some of my synthetic units, because to me, I feel like it was a lot more easier to apply. So yeah, now, baby, this unit is giving me like Michelle Obama at the inauguration tease, because like, I literally feel like I just need to throw some highlights in here and baby, put me a little black mask on, and me and Michelle gonna be twins. Okay. Okay. Now, I ordered this unit from Elevate Styles. They are one of my favorite companies to order from. It was under $40, so it's about maybe $37, $38. Of course, the shipping made it a little bit over $40, but it's okay. It took probably about a week or so, like it normally does when I order from them, to get it. But honestly, I really like this. This is definitely like a going out unit. This is definitely a work unit as well too. I can see myself rocking this to work. Now, I haven't really gotten any tangling or shedding. And I mean, as you guys can see, I'm literally like running my fingers through this. This is a bomb unit. This is my first time trying out the Outre melted hairline units, but I will say I really like this one. This kind of makes me want to try out some more, but for the meantime, in between time, I really like this one. Yeah, let me show you guys. This is what it looks like in the front. Come on, bang. Come on, bang. All right, so I'm gonna turn around and show you guys let me do a side view. And then let me show you guys the back. These curls are literally everything that I want. And this is literally like my kind of style. And I like the left part. I was so nervous if it was gonna be a right part. I'm not really a right part. I'm either a left part or a middle part kind of girl. So yeah, I cannot stop running my fingers through this unit. Like, it is so freaking pretty. All right, guys, so I'm going to leave all of the information down below. And yeah, make sure you guys thumbs up this video. Show your girls some love, okay? Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And until next time, as always, Bye, guys.